Hey guys, this is Ronnie here from Earlybird Farms, and today we're going to be covering how to change the air filter in a 2016 Honda Odyssey. So let's get to it. Now I know this is a pretty basic video. A lot of people know how to change the air filter in their cars, but some people may not. So I decided to do this video while I'm about to change the air filter in my wife's car. So let's get over here up under the hood and show you what it looks like. The very first thing we must do before we change the air filter in this Honda Odyssey is pop the hood. This may sound obvious, but let's show you where the hood latch is. If you look in here, it's going to be right there on the side. And this is where the car is. This is your gas. And this right here, you pull this little latch. Pull that little latch. And that will pop your hood. Next thing we'll do is go over here to the hood. Now to pop your hood, if you look up under here, there's a little lever right there. You simply just lift up on that lever and the hood will open. Use the little prop right here to prop your hood open. The next thing you're going to do is pop these little clips right here. You can see there's a clip right here. There's one here. There's one here. And there's one right here. To pop these, you simply just push on them like this and they'll snap open. If you lift up on the front of it, you can get it open enough to slide out your air filter, just like this. Just pick up on your air filter like this and pull it right out of there. As you can see, this one's not too terribly dirty. It does have some trash on in here though. We're going to go ahead and replace this. Now the type of air filter I use, I normally order mine off of Amazon. I've been ordering this brand of air filter for probably about, I don't know, probably about 10 years. It's called EcoGuard. The reason why I choose these is because they're cheap. They're cheaper than Fram that I would buy like at Walmart or something like that. And they're made pretty good. The first one I ordered for a Volkswagen Jetta station wagon that I used to have. It used to be my daily driver. And I was just looking for a cheap air filter. And I really liked it. And it's made really good. And you can see the plastic and all is really good. And these normally, if you know Amazon, prices do fluctuate some. I think when I bought this air filter, it was like $11 to $12. I looked at it today, it was $12.98. So, and I've seen them as low as $10. So they changed from about $10 to about $15, I say. But I'll leave a link down below, and I'll pin a comment down below so you can find these. If you want to support our channel, you can buy through that affiliate link. Putting it back in, you're just going to do the reverse. Make sure that the shape matches the shape of that. And then the deep part here, the deeper part goes in and goes down. So just lift your air box up, slide it in. And then on the front of this box, right up here, there's two teeth or two cleats. And you kind of got to slide it in. That's probably the hardest part of this right here. And once you get that in, you're just going to snap your buckles back. It's really a simple process to change your air filter on most vehicles. Most of them do have these clip type of closures now. And like I said, the hardest part is getting enough room to slide it in and out. You can take off this front hose here if you need to get more room to get down in there. It's not necessary. Like I said, this is probably a 5-minute process here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to change out the air cabin filter on this same 2016 Honda Odyssey. That'll be a future video coming up, and you'll also, at the end of this video, you'll probably have a link to that. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to change your air filter on a 2016 Honda Odyssey. Thank you for watching this. Make sure you check out one of these two videos down below. We'll see you next time on Earlybird Farms SE. where the SC stands for South Carolina.